soon, ha?
Kailangan
Thank
talaga
you,
ng
Marco
kape.
and Zoombox Productions.
Ano yan?
And the next
Kailangan
video
talaga ng kape.
is the dance wedding. Friends would also like to thank Doctora Vicky Bello, Bello Medical Group, Bello Essentials, Sexy Solutions, Sexy Chef, Shoe Goddess, Neon Island Clothing, Fresh Look, 3D Contact Lenses. Maraming salamat po sa ating designers, Jingo Inoncilo, Simon Ariel Vasquez. Kuya Ogie, meron daw kayong upcoming concert. Would you like to tell us more about it?
Yes, mga kapuso, on August 16, I'll be celebrating my 25th anniversary in show business via a concert at SM Mall of Asia Arena. August 16, I write the songs, 25th anniversary concert. You can get your tickets at SM Ticket. Hope to see you there. And it's also my birthday. And celebrating my 25th year. Thank you guys. Get your tickets. Ayun na! Sino man nanalo?
Pinapaalala na po namin ang receipt ng
Pero pala, baguhin nila yan eh.
award ay ang pinagsamang scores ng judges, online and text votes ng viewers, and the scores of each team's representatives kanina sa Color PUP. Yes,
Ay.
meanwhile, tanging ang Big Four naman ang magdedesisyon sa pagpili ng ating best performer. May gusto pa ba kayo sabihin, mga judges? Announce mo na.
No, I think individually we just want to say sino para sa amin ang best, no? For me, personally, I like Jen and Lynn's group. You like Mark's group?
Yes.
Mark Bautista yun. Ako naman, torn ako between kaysa na lang.
Sa akin, sa score ko, pantay sina Jenny Lynn. Ngayon, kasi yung mga judges, 65%
wala na pag-asa.
20% galing sa text votes, 10% sa online votes, 5% color votes. Now,
Hindi natin kung sino ang best
hindi na nagkasundo ko nila.
Di ba nagkasundo kami na our best performer is Aljo Veronica.
Okay lang.
Congratulations. Yes. At dahil dyan, pwede mo na yung uwi si Chris.
Nandyan si ano.
Yes, congratulations. And now, our best team performance awardee. It's Instagram Proper Trending Liga ng
Wala. Tweetan!
For today's best performance by a group,
Tweetan!
ang grupo ni